I'm just so jealous of all these people getting their workout in, their cross-country skiing, their sledding. So I thought, if I have to work, what the heck, I'll just do the same. I got my poles. I figured I'd get my skis out. This is like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. A blizzard in New York City and you get to cross-country ski on the sidewalk? Are you kidding me? You cannot beat this. I love this. The vibe here in Central Park on the Upper West Side is so amazing. People are so friendly. Everyone's stopping to talk. We've seen a bunch of snowboarders, cross-country skiers, all these children sledding, people who just moved here from California, a bunch of Columbia students making sleds with boxes and garbage bags and coming down here to experience the snow in New York City for the first time. And of course, with all of the fun comes a little bit of a serious note as well. The mayor saying that anyone unhoused, anyone in need will have a warm shelter to go to, opening 10 warming centers in New York City. Of course, 2 in each borough, making sure that people are welcome. Not one person will be turned away, to make sure that everyone is safe and warm, because these temperatures clearly can be dangerous. Out here to have fun, yes, for a moment of time, you know, maybe max 2 hours, because it is very cold out here. You'll feel it in your hands, on your face, in your feet. And then, of course, finding a warm place.